How to earn $5,000 to $7,000 this holiday promoting the Legacy Builder program. Tired of being broke every holiday season? Sick of watching others live the life you dream of while you're struggling to get by? Hi, my name is Alan Mantaring from Philippines, and just few months ago, I was there where you are, stuck, stressed, and worried about how to make ends during this holiday. But everything changed when I discovered the Legacy Builder program, and today, I'm going to show you how exactly to earn $5,000 to $7,000 this holiday. You're struggling right now. The truth is, most people are trapped in the 9-to-5 grind, living paycheck to paycheck. During the holidays, it feels even worse. Extra expenses, no time for family, and constant stress of not having enough. But there's one thing, or here's the thing. You don't have to stay stuck. What if I told you there's a way to not just survive this holiday season, but thrive, earning thousands of dollars in just a few weeks? What is Legacy Builder program? Legacy Builder program is a done-for-you system designed to help you escape the rat race and start earning online. Here's how it works. 1. High commission. You can earn $100 to $900 per sale. Imagine making just a handful of sales and hitting your income goals. 2. Proven system. Over 10 million in sales in thousands of success stories in just 89 days when it launched. Number 3. Easy to promote. You don't need to be a marketing expert. Everything is set up for you. This program changes lives, and it can change your too. 3. Promote Legacy Builder and earn $5,000 to $7,000. Step 1. Share your story. People buy from people they trust. Share why you started promoting Legacy Builder and how it helps you and others. You don't need to be an expert. You just be authentic. 2. Leverage social media. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok to create posts, videos, or stories showing how this program helps people escape financial struggles. Focus on holiday pain points. The stress of extra bills, the dream of earning from home, or the need for the time with family. Step 3. Overvalue. Create free content like Holiday Side Hustle Guide. I recommend Legacy Builder, the ultimate solution. Show the benefits, flexible hours, high income potentials, and a system that works. 4. Use urgencies. Highlight the limited time to take advantage of the holiday demand. Offer exclusive bonuses like free consultation, or free setting up the panels, or free ebook, or free videos, something like that. Why choose Legacy Builder? Here's why I'm promoting Legacy Builder program and beats other online programs. Proven success. It's not a scam or get-rich scheme. It's a community-driven program that's already transformed many lives. High commission income potential. With commission as high as $900 per sale, you don't need hundreds of sales to hit your goals. Support and training. You will get all the tools and the resources you need to be successful in this business. Stop doing nothing. Now let me ask you, what happens if you don't take action? Another year of missed opportunities. The same financial struggles, wishing you had started sooner. This holiday season can be different for you. You have the chance to change your life and earn $5,000 to $7,000 by promoting a product that truly helps people. Type Blueprint below to learn more about the Legacy Builder and how you can start earning today. Don't wait, the holidays are here and the time to act is now. Let's make this most profitable season yet. See you on the other side. Let's go!